in the breathtaking and treacherous landscape of the mighty Himalayas, a young monk wandered in solitude in search of the ultimate truth. Through intense meditation and practice of yoga that put mind over matter, not only did he uncover the truth, but also realized the very purpose of his life. About 4 decades ago, in a small village named Tavashi in southern India, a married couple named Dundappa and Shivaka from a pious family of farmers was sanctified by an enlightened sage, Sri Marula Shankara Shiva Yogi of Gachina Mutt Monastery. Shivaka undertook a pledge called Garbhadiksha under his guidance to send his next-born male child into the fold of sannyasa or monkhood. She was initiated with a Maha Mantra, which she avidly chanted during the entire course of her pregnancy. Hence, was born on a full moon night, Vachananand, the upkeeper of promises and disseminator of wellness in this world. Even as an innocent child, Vachananand displayed signs of a yogi. Compassion and generosity came to him naturally. At a tender age of 8, Vachananand, to uphold the pledge, was handed over to Gachina Mutt Monastery. Thus, Dundappa and Shivaka emotionally parted ways with their son. Sri Marula Shankara Shiva Yogi steered him to visit several other monasteries to learn different yogic techniques and wisdom. Upon his return, Vachananand received initiation and was transformed into Swami Vachananand. Barely a teenager, he would deliver sermons to large gatherings. His achievements soon prompted people to declare him as the head of a monastery. But he felt a sense of incompleteness and emptiness from within, as he yearned to unravel more. In this state of chaos, 2 books, namely Autobiography of a Yogi and Living with the Himalayan Masters, illuminated his path ahead. The 16-year-old Swami Vachananand sacrificed his position in the society and wandered off to uncover the truth behind his life and existence. Without a predetermined destination, the wandering monk, Swami Vachananand, started treading an unknown path. He visited Ujjain, Nasik, Allahabad, Varanasi, Haridwar, and several other places of spiritual importance, meeting several masters and sages on this spiritual journey. Destiny took him to Rishikesh, where he systematically studied yogic science and philosophy under the guidance of Swami Vedabharati, who himself was a disciple of Swami Rama of the Himalayas. During this course, Swami Vachananand, he observed a stringent 108-day Mauna Vratha, or a vow of silence, and was honored with 3 levels of initiation by Swami Vedabharati. After achieving academic excellence, started teaching at the ashram. Swami Vachananand didn't stop at that, for he was a spiritual seeker. Swami Vachanananda journeyed the tiring Himalayan landscape for years. In the Himalayas, which is identified as the abode of the gods in Hindu scriptures, at sub-zero temperatures where oxygen is a luxury, the saffron-clad yogi sat in meditation, seeking answers in caves, and practiced the knowledge of Sri Vidya, namely yantra, mantra, and tantra, from other mystics, monks, and saints. At this juncture, Swami Vachananand headed back to his roots in southern India. Upon the command of his beloved Guru, Sri Marula Shankara Shiva Yogi. Within 3 months of this fateful meeting, the 100-year-old Sri Marula Shankara Shiva Yogi breathed his last. After the demise of his Guru, Swami Vachananand began his own expedition of spreading yogic awareness towards improving the quality of people's lives. Immediately, people began to flock to this young monk who had gained the wisdom of a saint. His popularity amongst the masses attracted media attention, and soon Swami Vachananand was bestowed with the title of Shwaasa Guru. Owing to his undisputed mastery over the concept of spiritual breath. World-renowned spiritual masters and noted personalities across the world applauded the young Shwaasa Guru's accomplishments. They also showered their love and blessings and wholeheartedly supported his cause of Vidyadana, or the dissemination of spiritual knowledge. Shwaasa Guru, Swami Vachananand, founded Shwaasa Yoga Institute in Bangalore to personally train people and help them get rid of their pains caused due to their stressful lifestyles. Shwaasa Yoga Institute conducts regular yoga classes, yoga teacher training courses, yoga meditation retreat in the Himalayas, third eye awakening retreats, therapeutic yoga courses, and silence retreats. Today, Shwaasa Yoga Institute has become synonymous with yogic meditation. At Shwaasa, health and well-being are celebrated with glory every year on the International Yoga Day. Shwaasa has also been encouraging the efforts of revered personalities with Yoga Ratna awards. Currently, Yoga Ratna remains to be the highest honor in the field of yoga, health and well-being across the globe. With his ambition to make the world yogamaya, Shwaasa Guru is traveling around the world and tirelessly working towards teaching the world the benefits of leading a happier life through yogic spirituality. He would like to take you along with him on a journey of wellness, where he will be sharing with you the mysteries of spiritual awakening. Come, be a part of this journey, this life-changing experience.
Hiranyagarbhadarabdam Sheshavyasadi Madhyama Shwaasa Guru Padantam Vande Guru Paramparam Vande Guru Param